So we messaged him, right? And he said that on his vlog video, he charges $600 US.
Whoa, yeah.
Yeah, that's a bag.
Yeah.
That's a bag, fam.
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to Chairs
and Benches.
I'm Nayoka.
And I'm Brittany. So today's video, we will be messaging some Jamaican influencers and YouTubers to find out their promotion prices. So we're gonna do the tea on them price, them promo prices.
Yeah.
Alright guys?
And we're gonna give you guys all the receipts too, so we're not making up nothing about these influencers and these YouTubers. We're gonna give you guys the receipts of the actual messages so you guys will see that this is no cap.
Right.
In my top 10 video on how to become monetized in 6 months, I actually told you guys that paid promotion is very helpful to get you monetized very quickly. You have great content, right? But the people don't know that you exist. How you're gonna do this? You're gonna reach out to other YouTubers and then you might gain their followings if you do a paid promotion and they like your content. So
Big fan.
I'm helping you guys actually see what the rates really look like. I'm doing the work for you guys.
Right?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
So what we did do is that we send each influencer the same generic message about the interest in their channel and doing a promo with them. Some of them responded, some didn't, because I mean their DMs are really full. But for the ones that did reply, I'll give you guys all information. So make way. Yeah. Alright, so the first YouTubers in Jamaica that we reached out to was King and Shay. So we sent them the message and they sent back that it's $100 US. Okay? And they said they have $150 US for a package deal, and this is a special. She actually sent me a voice note, Shay, to explain what the package deal is like. So I'm gonna play it for you guys so you guys can hear the package deal.
Okay, alright, $100 for the normal shout out, and we have a special now that's thrown in for $150, which includes 6 shout out. So two shout out in each week, and they post 3 shout out in each week, and it posts on Instagram, go to our Instagram account, only for $150.
All right, so you hear it from Shay herself. So
this is what their promo, this is an idea of what their promo would look like.
What I want to do for me, guys, I want to go over to Cheers and Benches, guys. The links will be in the description. So go over there and follow her and tell her, say, King and Shay, sending you guys, me asking her, please, guys, go support her. You don't know, we like to support our Jamaican YouTuber. So just go over there and say, King and Shay, sending them.
Okay, guys, so the next big influencer is Tanaania. Now, you guys know we did a video on her before, and you know, she's our girl. We like her. So she said that she does promotion on her Instagram page only, and she sent us a flyer. All right, guys. As you can see, all her quotes are in US dollars, and it ranges from $35 to $200 US. So I think that she has a budget in there for everybody. Yeah. It's some of them entails, you know, 1 IG story or 2 IG stories and 2 IG posts. Now you know that an IG story lasts 24 hours only and then it disappears. An IG post is a little more permanent, but we don't know what the time frame that she leaves it up on her wall for. That is your job as a person seeking the promotion to ask these questions.
Yeah. Actually, Tanana used to do paid promo for her YouTube channel, but she no longer does it because I reach out to a lot of influencers and YouTubers from my channel, and she actually charged $150 US at the time. So just to give you guys a range of like what different influencers would charge for a YouTube shout out, but she no longer has that service. So let's move on to the next influencer, and that's Rushcam. This is a YouTuber. This is another YouTuber that I really like. He's my best friend in my head. I sent him the same generic message that I sent to everybody, like from Chairs and Benches, and we're interested in a promo. And his response was, "Hi Nayoka, hope you're doing well. I don't do paid promo, so Rosh Cam, no paid promo. Ouch." But he says that he does not think it's fair to take advantage of someone like that for just a shout out. So Rosh Cam don't agree with doing a shout out. But he went on and he said, "Have checked out your channel though, and he would do a shout out for free because he likes the content." Thank you so much. We appreciate it. And he said, hopefully, he said, hopefully in a video coming soon. But he did say if it's not YouTube related and it's for a business, then he has rates for that. So if you have a business that you want to promote or advertise, because you know, as a business owner, you have to budget for ads.
And social media is
the best place right now. So if you guys have a business, you can reach out to Rushcam and he could probably do his thing on Instagram. But as it regards to YouTube shout out, like a YouTuber to another YouTuber, he think it's taken advantage of. But
you know the struggles.
Yeah,
he's been there. He's been there.
It's hard. Yeah, it's hard.
And actually, speaking of Rosh Cam, Quiet Perry is of the same opinion.
So here's something that I want to do, correct? Because I realize that a lot of people message me, right? And they're just like, "Can I pay you to promote my YouTube channel?"
Right, and that is, I get those messages too.
I know, and I feel a little
way.
way. I'm like,
yeah,
I don't want your money. I don't want your money. So I will post a link in my description, correct, of a channel that I want you guys to go and support.
Okay.
Correct?
Right.
He does not do paid promotions on YouTube. However, he does do a shout out under his description on each week. And he actually did it for us.
Yeah, so here's a picture of it. Yeah, so thank you so much.
He's my best friend in my head.
Yeah, so we both have best friends in our heads, okay? Yeah. So thank you so much, Quiet Perry, for shouting out Chairs and Benches. We honestly really appreciate it. Alright guys, so the next YouTubers that we reached out to is Image and Dolly. Very good couple YouTube channel, and they are growing tremendously, very quickly. So I did send them the message and they said, "Good night, I'm currently on a special for $70 US. And it will be going in the description below. So if you guys want to check out Image and Dolly and reach out to them for a promo, they had a special for $70 US. I'm not sure if it's still on.
It might not be.
Yeah, but at least you guys have a range of what their price might be like.
Anyway guys, I want to go over Trish Daily Lifestyle. You see me go subscribe to our channel, comment on our video them, and make sure you know say your Image and Dolly sending over this. You see me, the link in the description below, guys. And Abby and Capo JA, you see me, run go over them channels, subscribe, comment, and make them know say Image and Dolly sending over this. So yeah man, they have some great content, you see me, and the link also I got there in the description below, guys.
Now if you're in the YouTube world and you watch, if you're in the YouTube world, you know that Trabass is one of the biggest influencers to come out, and YouTuber to come out of Jamaica, right
100%.
guys? His reach is very far.
Yeah, so on his Trabass TV channel, he has 721k subs, like 721k subs on his regular Trabass TV channel.
That's like,
and yeah, he's and for his Instagram, he actually has 800,000 followers.
that's like almost 1 million. Guys.
Yeah, so Trabass is influencer, okay?
Yeah. Hey bro. So we messaged him, right? And he said that on his vlog video he charges $600 US.
Oh! Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bag.
Yeah.
That's a bag, fam.
Yeah.
Right? So what that entails is him talking about what your channel entails or what it's about. Him also mentioning your app name, so your social media name, and then below the video he will leave your information in the description. All right, guys. So yeah, and he has a big reach. So. Yeah. But that's his rates.
I mean, comment down below what you guys think about the rates so far. But I know some of you guys might be shocked. Some of you guys might be like, eh. And keep in mind too that there's other influencers like States YouTubers or other influencers from America who have even higher rates. So
we're focusing on
Jamaican YouTubers. Yeah. So I don't know if you would pay $600 for your channel, but that's what Trabass is charging over there. So the next YouTuber that we reached out to is Razorblade TV. Big up yourself, Razorblade. And he said, good day. Well, I'm doing a discounted promo this week for only $30 US.
Well then. Okay.
But it can only be done through PayPal. And I'm like, wow, that's awesome. That's very good. Like, that's a very, very, very good promo. So,
and this is what his promo looks like.
Before we start this video, I want to take the time out to shout out Call Me Kids. So if you like the British accent, yeah, we can't do it like Rolly, I confess, we can't do it like Rolly. Rolly got England before, we never do it before. If you want the British accent, yeah, and you want some vlogs, yeah, and you want to see some challenges, yeah, subscribe to Call Me Kids. I'm here to do a credit giveaway sometime. So for all them people that will never have credit on their phone, go show us some support. And subscribe, I want some video and win some credit. You don't know me, I'm busting up on the links them. So, as I say, subscribe to Call Me Kids, and let's get to the video.
Alright guys, comment down below and let us know what you guys thought about this video, what you thought about each influencer and the rates that they gave. Would you pay these influencers for a promo for your channel or your business? How do you feel about it? How do you feel about this new generation and you know how influencer marketing is taking over, and is it effective? How you feel about it? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you guys want us to reach out and find out some more teas and give you guys some more receipts so you guys know the facts, let us know in the comment section below, because Chairs and Benches will always give you guys some quality content. This facts. Is where you come for quality. Yeah. We miss you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great week.
Yes. Bye. Love you.